Rainy.
Yeah, in Hanoi, it's rainy.
Yeah, in the Hanoi, it's rainy.
Oh, very good, child.
In the Hanoi, it's rainy.
Yeah, I know it's rainy. It's
Here
sunny.
in the Hanoi, it's rainy.
It's rainy. Yeah, in the Philippines, it's rainy also in Philippines. Well, very good, child. I will give you assignment after this. You want more assignment after this? After our class, I will give you assignment, okay? Homework. Homework.
Here.
Yeah. Next.
Here.
After. Yeah, very good. Okay. You will have to pictures.
In the Hanoi, it's rainy.
Yeah. It's rainy, teacher Anne. Okay. So, we have
in Hanoi, it's rainy.
Yeah, I understand it's rainy in Hanoi.
In Hanoi, rainy.
In Philippines, it's rainy. In Philippines.
In the Hanoi, it's rainy.
Yeah, the same.
Rainy.
Yeah, also here, raining. Here.
Rainy.
Yeah, the same. Okay? Let's start now.
Okay.
Ciao. Let's start. Oh,
yeah.
Very good. Ciao. Very good. Ciao. Let's see the speaking skill.
What's that?
Teacher? What's that? Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yay. Now. Wow, very good. Very lovely. Wow, Chow. Wow. Wow, Chow. Yay, very good. Okay, here. Oh, what is this? Oh, is this ice cream? Are we done with this? We're done, right? Done? Yeah, we're done. We're here already. Where are we? Okay, here. We are now, wait for a while.
What's that, teacher?
Wait for a while. Okay, we are here now. Okay, let us see this one. Okay, here. Sorry. Okay. This one, teacher Anne. Okay. Chow, where are you?
I'm fast flying too.
Okay, here. Okay. Okay, look up here. Teacher Anne told you before that we have to do with there is and there are. Okay, here, Teacher Anne told you. Okay. There is. There are. Okay. When you see there is only one, singular, not many. Okay, can you see that?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, there is means not many, singular. Okay, there
Okay.
are means many. Okay, I have example here, teacher. Okay, can you see this one, Chow Chow? Lesson teacher.
Yes.
Okay, lesson teacher and okay, here there is one singular, not many. Example here, look at example. There is an apple. How many apples? How many?
One apple.
Very good, Chow. One apple only. When I say there are many, right? Plural. Plural. Many. There are apples in the basket. How many apples?
Many apples.
Very good. So you understand there is singular, not many. There are plural, many. Okay, Chow, you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Chow. Now, I will give you the test. Test, okay?
Okay.
Here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, there is singular. Those are plural. There is singular. Those are plural. Okay, look at here, Chow. Chow, Chow. Okay, you will have to pick up here. Okay, you pick your answers from this one. Okay, sorry, teacher. There is or there are. Okay, there is
Okay.
or there are. Okay, you write your answers here. We are now in Unit 8D, reading and writing. Okay, very good, Cha.
Okay, teacher, happy.
Okay, let us see your answer, Chow Chow. There is many flavors of ice cream. Okay, here. Okay, let's see. There is, say what's the answer? There are, because flavors, many. Okay. Number two. Can you read down?
There is eating choice at the choice store.
Interesting. What do you mean by the word interesting? Interesting means what's this? What do you mean by the word interesting?
Toy.
Okay, what is that? Interesting. Interesting means you want to have. Very nice to see.
Toy.
Okay. Interesting at the toy store. Your answer is very
Wow.
good. There
Yeah.
are, because many toys. Right? You understand?
Yes.
Understand now? Okay. Number three. There are children's clothing shops in the
Children.
mall. Children's. There is. Okay. There is. Look at the apostrophe. Apostrophe S. That one. It means singular, only one. Okay. You might thought children because many. Okay. Number four. There is a playground in the neighborhood. Very good. Number five. There is only one. Very good, Chow Chow. You understand this, Chow? Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Chow. Very good, Chow.
Teacher C. Teacher C.
Okay. Oh, we're done with this. I guess we're done with this. Okay, look at this one. Okay. Okay. Can you arrange the word in order? Can you arrange the word in order? Okay, can you arrange that? Okay, write the words in order here. Example, there is a blank. Okay, you arrange the word here. Teacher Ann will give example.
There. There is a clothing story.
Example only.
Yeah.
You understand? Okay,
Yeah.
go. Okay, you write your answers here.
Play. teacher.
Yes. Okay, here. Let us see number 1. Whoa, very good. Is their clothing store. Yeah, let us see, Chow Chow. Wow, very good. Correct. Okay, you put correct, teacher, and will.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, hi, good evening. Okay, wow, very good, Chow. Correct, Chow Chow. Okay, next, number 2. Wow, correct. Correct, Chow. Yeah, very good, Chow. Yeah,
No. I is like
different clothes. What's your answer?
low different.
Oh, do you like different clothes? Do you like clothes different? The answer is
Yes.
do you like different clothes? Okay. What kind of clothes? Different. Okay. Okay, Chow.
Okay.
Next.
Okay.
My mom likes long skirts. Let's see. Oh, that's correct. Correct. Okay, Chow? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. How many correct? 2 over 1.
Correct.
Yeah, very good again. Yay. Next one here. Thank you, Chow. Here. Okay. In here, Chow, look at this one. Look at the example. Look at number 1. There is a candy store in the mall. Look at this one. Okay, here. Can you see this? There, this is number 1. There is, you will write S, there is, because 1 candy. There is, okay, there is candy store in the mall. Look at here. You will write there is. Number 2, where's number 2 here? Here, this number 2. You will write number 2. It is or it are. You will write this. It is our favorite store. Look at this one. Another example for number 2. Okay. It is our favorite store. You add S or R. Okay? Go. Or you can have likes or like. Go. You try number 3. Try number 3. This is number 3. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Different like different. Different candy.
Okay, go, Chow. We blank different candies. We is, we are. We is many, plural. What will you put? S or R?
Like.
Okay, go. Or we like, oh sorry, it's not we or are. We like or likes.
Oh, my stone in.
Okay, number 4. My mom blank cotton candy. Cotton candy. My mom, only one, my mom. So what will you do if only one? What will happen to the verb? You need to put S to the verb. The verb is like and like. You pick that one.
Ako eh.
plural. So you don't need to put. Okay, let's see here. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Very good. What's the answer for number 3? Oh, we like different candy. Very good. Number 4. My mom likes cotton candy. Very good. Again, Chow. Good job, Chow. Good job. Number 5. My sister likes chocolate. Very good. And next, I like lollipop, not like. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, you've got only one mistake. One wrong, one wrong. Okay? I like lollipop, not likes. Okay? Okay, so here, child, you use, this is very good. You put like, because we is plural, many. So therefore, so the verb don't have S, no S. Okay? Child, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Here, mom is only one, only one. That is why you put S to the verb, like likes. You put S. Very good. Sister is only one. That is why you put S, likes. But I, plural. I, you, and we. Okay. I, you, we. Plural. They are plural. That is why we need to use plural verb. No S. Okay, Chow Chow?
Okay, teacher.
I, you, and we will say I like, you like, we like. Okay, Chow?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, look at this one. Okay, this is your answer.
Teacher, eraser.
Okay, here. Okay, for your assignment, this will be your assignment. You will draw and write a story. Okay, later I will give you the assignment. Goodbye. Okay, here we will have another topic.
Oh, goodbye.
Oh, no, not yet. We'll have speaking class.
Oh, no.
You don't like speaking class? Okay, here. We are here speaking class. Okay. Can you tell me the difference?
Yeah.
What is the difference? Okay. Okay. What do you think is the difference? Not okay.
Oh. And okay.
Okay, very good. Now, what are the differences? This is letter A.
Panda.
Yeah, wait. letter B.
Panda. In picture A is two panda. In picture B,
Good.
two cat.
Two pandas. Two pandas.
Two pandas. In picture
Very
B,
good.
two kangaroos.
Good.
In picture A, tree is long.
Three. The trees are long. Tall. Tall. Tall.
So in picture B, tree is short.
Okay. The trees are short.
In picture A, that is t-shirt color is green.
Yeah.
In picture B, that color t-shirt that color is yellow.
Yes.
In picture A, it one two boy. In picture B, it one boy.
There's only one boy. Next.
In picture A, shoot it boy is green. Oh,
Wearing green.
oh no.
The tallest. The man. The man.
Okay.
Go, child.
Okay.
Yes.
Boy is ice cream is has. In picture B, boy is no has.
Okay. Oh, it's not a boy. It's a girl.
Oh,
Yeah. The girl in the picture A has a hat. In the picture B, don't have a hat. You no hat. Okay. Next. What's next, child?
No, next.
Okay, how about this one? Okay, teacher Ann will repeat. In first picture, there are two pandas. In the second picture, there are two kangaroos, right? In the first picture, there are three trees. Three trees. In the second picture, three long or tall trees. In the second picture, there are three short trees. And in the first picture, there are two boys. But in the second picture, there are only one boy. In the first picture, the man is wearing green shirts. In the second picture, the man is wearing yellow shirt. In the first picture, the woman has a hat on her head. In the second picture, the woman does not have a hat. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good, Chow Chow. Thank you for talking, Chow. Here. Now, I will ask you, Chow, about this. Where do you live?
Country and city.
Okay, where do you live, Chow? In the countryside or in the city?
Me?
Yes?
Me in the country.
Yeah, you live in the countryside, not in the city?
Yes, in the city.
Yeah, you live in the city, countryside.
Country is house.
Countryside, this is a quiet place. It doesn't have. see him.
Okay, teacher. Okay. INCT.
Okay. Okay, now, child, where do you live? In the city or in the countryside?
I live in the country and countryside and the city.
You live in the city. Now, in your house, it's in the city, right? It's in the city. Okay. So we have here. Okay. How many rooms in your house? How many?
It's bathroom,
There are rooms.
bedroom,
Yeah.
bedroom,
Yeah. How many bedrooms in your house?
3 bedroom and 2 bathroom.
2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 living room,
1 living room.
1 kitchen,
I know just 1 kitchen and I
dining room, 1 dining room,
what
dining room. You eat
dining room
1.
firstly it's dining room in the living room.
Okay. Okay. Here, next. Okay, child. Tell me about your bedroom. Tell me
Hello,
about
my
your
bedroom
bedroom.
is blue. Here, you can see.
Oh,
Here.
that's your bedroom? What's the
Yes,
color? It's color?
blue.
Color blue. Okay. Your bedroom is color blue. Okay. What do you have in there? What is in your bedroom? What is in your bedroom?
I sleeping in the bedroom
Okay. Do you have a bed? Bed.
and reading a book.
You have a bed in your bedroom, bed, like this, bed. Okay. Do you have a lamp? This one,
Yes,
lamp.
yeah.
Yeah, like that. Do you have a toy?
Toy. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's it. Okay, here. So, do you have a TV?
No. In
No
the
TV.
bedroom. Dad
No.
and mom is no
Oh,
TV bedroom me. Bed
okay.
a TV in the bedroom. Dad and mom.
Okay. Okay, here. Very good. Now, Chow Chow, here. You tell me the story about this. What do you think is this? Why are you laughing?
In one,
One. Yeah, our teacher will be the one to put. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go.
uh, in the picture one. In the picture one,
Yes.
mom is in the beach. Dad
Why in the
is
beach?
sleeping in the beach.
Yeah, the dad is
In
sleeping in the beach.
picture two. Dad is go to the beach
Yeah, go to the sea,
and
go to the
mom
beach,
is
go to the water.
Dad.
Okay?
Dad is go to the beach and picture in the picture three. Dad is see shark.
Oh, the dad see a shark. And then,
In the picture two, it is no shark. It's Tyrion has shark.
okay. In the first picture, okay, let us hear. You can see this is a shark, but it's not a shark. It's only a half cat. Looks like a shark. Okay, we will tell the story here. Okay, this is the story. The family are on the beach. The children are playing. Their mother is reading. The mom is reading. The father going into the sea. The mother and the girl are watching him. The father is swimming. He sees a shark. He's afraid. Oh, he shouts, help, 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 help. But it is not a shark. It's the boy. He's laughing, but his father isn't happy. Oh, look at this one. The boy, this is a boy. This is not a shark. The father is not happy. He's angry because he thought it was a shark. Like that. Okay, Chow? Do you understand, Chow?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for tonight, Chow, we will end our lesson and we'll see each other on when?
Friday.
Friday and
Today.
Yay, very good. Okay, I will see you on Friday, Chow. Ciao. Okay, see you. Okay, I will give you assignment, homework. Okay,
What homework?
today I will give you homework. You want homework? You like
Home-
homework? Another homework. You like another homework?
Homework today?
No, yeah. You like another
What homework?
another homework. You want? I give you another homework. Another. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Chow.
Bye, teacher.
See you, Chow.
See you, teacher.
Bye-bye. Okay. see you on Friday.
And Saturday.
Yeah, of course. Bye-bye.